Smoke detector camera. This may look like a regular smoke detector, but during a fire, it won't alert you, and your house will eventually burn down, with you inside. But what it can do is to record full HD video of whatever's happening in the room. We hope you use it to check on your cat, but we've heard stories about landlords putting these up in their rental units and spying on their tenants. Nevertheless, the camera has motion sensors that'll send push notifications with images to your phone when it detects movement. These smoke detector cameras sell for $59 on Amazon. You can buy this gadget through the link in our bio.